Phew. Hey, this is Joella, and on this video, I'm going to be talking about why I believe that websites are the true reason why businesses fail. Yes, that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about. And hold on, don't leave just yet. Let me explain. I just went through two articles, one by Forbes and another by Entrepreneur magazine. And in them, they both list 10 reasons, 20 in total, why businesses fail. I went through each of those line items and the definitions and the breakdowns. And when it came down to it, 12 out of the 20, I could pinpoint to exactly the website. And here's why. A lot of times, for us business owners, if you're a business owner, if you're thinking about starting a business, you've probably spent tons of time building your website, right? 10, 15 years ago, it was like, hey, you have to have a website. Maybe 20 years ago, you have to have a website. You have to have a website. And we still believe that we have to have a website in order to have a successful business. So we spent all this time and money and energy. I can't tell you how many clients have come to us and said, I spent $60,000 on a website and got zero return on it. So now you're building your business, you have this amazing idea, you're spending the time, the energy, and money on getting your branding and the website and all this kind of stuff. And all the while, there's no money coming into your bank account. I remember doing this myself. I remember being guilty of this myself. When I launched my podcast way back in the day, it was called Startup Dad Headquarters. And in that podcast, I interviewed 140 dads all over the world. It was amazing. I had this beautiful website. I had amazing podcast, the lighting and the equipment, all this kind of stuff. But I had no revenue coming into my bank account. It wasn't until I learned that lesson that I did a full 180. And on my next business venture, I started it with absolutely nothing, no website, nothing at all. Now, I wouldn't recommend starting in that direction. What I would recommend is starting with a funnel. Okay, we've had so many clients who barely use their website or have no website, but they're generating tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars just with a funnel. Here's what a funnel can do for you. If you're launching a business and instead of spending all this time and energy trying to populate and create all this content for a website, having a funnel that you could build in a number of days, number of hours, you could get up and running and start validating whether or not your business is actually a thing that people are willing to pay for. And through that validation and getting revenue coming in, you now start to build some confidence behind what you're doing. In addition to that, having a funnel is a great way to generate leads, right? Because now you can have what's one of the reasons why businesses fail? Lack of customers, right? By now having leads coming into your funnel, you can now start to pick and choose which clients you want to work with. Every business wants that ability to do that. And with that ability to pick and choose and filter out the clients you don't want to work with, having your pipeline full, what do you think that does? You've already built some confidence with it by kind of building what I call the minimum viable funnel to validate your business. Now you have leads coming in, you're filling up your pipeline, you're doing those sales calls, you're really getting into the groove of understanding what your customers need and everything like that. You're delivering on your service, you're improving your service over time. Now you can start to charge more. What's another reason why businesses fail? Lack of cash flow, right? Because you don't have enough cash flow, you're either doing all the work yourself, you feel like you're not confident enough to go hire someone and put someone on payroll, and you're taking on every single client that you know is not a good fit or will potentially be the death of you and your business, right? So this is why these three reasons, and there's so many more I could go on, but these are the top three reasons why I believe that a website is killing businesses in America today. So instead of the website, focus on building a funnel. Because if you have a funnel, you can validate, you can generate leads, then you could generate revenue for your business in a very short period of time. This has been Joel Lewis. I'm the founder of Integrator & Co. If you have any comments, comment below. I also have a resource that breaks down 5 reasons why your website is killing your business, which doesn't include the 3 that I just covered in this video. If you want to check it out, just click on the link below and I'll send that right to your inbox. Peace.